Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some tips to fix stopcode hypervisor_error on Windows 11 startup. So, this error is usually caused by a hardware conflict, specifically RAM and CPU. If you are overclocking RAM and CPU, stop doing it. And here's how to do it. First, you need to go to the BIOS. Check your RAM is running right, and if your XMP is overclocked, that may cause issues. The best thing is run your RAM on default. Next, check if your CPU is overclocking. And if true, disable overclocking. Finally, save and restart your computer to see if the problem is fixed. In case there is still a stopcode, go back into BIOS and set everything back to default.